Meaning of 40.
40.
40.
40.
40. 40 is a numerical term that represents the quantity of 4 tens. It is commonly used in counting and mathematics. The word 40 originates from Old English and is used as both a number and an adjective. In many cultures, 40 has a significant symbolic meaning. For example, in Christianity, it represents a period of trial or testing. In numerology, 40 is considered a powerful number for transformation and change. Overall, 40 is a simple yet meaningful number that holds cultural significance in various aspects of life.